Hi, my name is Leah Wood, and I want to show you two great resources for supporting the academic needs of students with extensive support needs like severe disabilities while teaching virtually. The first resource is a 90-day free trial, and it's access to Attainment Company's online portal called Attainment Hub. This is a web-based access to some of Attainment's core curricular programs for students with moderate and severe disabilities, like the Early Literacy Skills Builder, the Early Reading Skills Builder, and Teaching to Standards English Language Arts. There are math programs. So to access the hub, first you're going to go to find this PDF that's on my screen. And you're going to use this URL that I'm flashing across the screen to find it. So you'll type that in, find this PDF, and here you have a task analysis that is going to tell you the 5 big things you need to do in order to use this awesome resource. So the first thing you're going to do is create a hub account. And you can click right on this URL. This is hyperlinked to take you to the Attainment Hub itself, where you're going to need to enter in information to set up your account. So your screen will look a little bit different from mine. In fact, we can go back to this document because it shows you. You're going to enter the information here in this green field. Once you do that and create an account, it's going to auto send an email to your email address that you've entered. I will caution you to check your junk folder because I missed it. It came straight to my junk folder and I thought it was taking forever, and it was there right away. So go to your junk folder. Once you open that email, you'll be able to follow the directions and it'll send you back to the hub where you'll be able to use your new credentials and log in. Once you log in, you're going to see this screen right here. You're going to see this white screen with a blue button for redeem code up at the top. And so once you click on redeem code, you're going to need to enter in this code that's the same code for everybody. So VC4BU57YV is for everybody. So enter that, and then you're going to see this redeem access code box with COVID-19 relief listed. Click the word COVID-19 relief so that that turns blue and is highlighted blue, and then you'll be able to hit OK. Now you're in and you're ready to select a student. You can create students. So let's walk through this one together. We're going to go back to my hub. I'm going to log in. And now here's an important step to remember, because this part's not quite as intuitive and it took me a minute to remember. The tab you need now is the one that says Cloud. So Cloud is your tab. Click Cloud, 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 Cloud. And when you're here, you're going to see on your portal a place to create students and add students. So you click the Add button to add every student that you want. You'll have lots of opportunities to personalize the student. You'll give them their own password. You'll pick a student that looks the most like them if you want to. You can do all kinds of things in terms of adding, changing hair color and eye color. I just skipped all that. But now you have a new student. Next, you're going to want to go down to the bottom part of the screen to give your student, to set them up as a student user. And this is where you do the drop down to see all of the different programs that are available. You're going to pick which one or however many you want for your student to use. And when you pick those, you're going to click Olivia uses Access Language Arts, or your student uses this program. Even if your student has never used this program before, you need to click the box that says student uses the program. And you can continue to add as many as you want. So I think I'll do these for Olivia. So now, if you want to, now what you should do is go to Enable Home Use. So I'm going to type in an email address for Olivia's parent, giving her parent Olivia's username and her password. So now you can go, or the family can go to the hub.attainmentcompany.com and log in with this username and password information and go straight to Olivia's desk. The teacher could go straight to Olivia's desk by clicking that button from the back-end portal where you just set up all of the stuff about Olivia. This is Olivia's desk. This is the student interface, and this is what the student will see. And all of the programs that you selected will be there available to the student. Students can use them. It's going to keep data. It's going to track data. You can check it and see it as the teacher. You also have the ability as the teacher to personalize the different programs and adjust the settings for your students. You're going to do this on the back end. So since I just came through the portal with my teacher login, I'm going to be able to go to File on this main screen for this program, probably enter my, my teacher password, and then change any settings that I need to. So this is opening the program Show Me Math.
Show me math.
I can go to File, Options, enter my teacher password for the hub, and now I can change it for this student, Charlie. Do I want to adjust the number of problems she receives? Do I want to make it low distractions? Do I want to change the max number? Do I want to make it multiple choice or not multiple choice? So all of those are things you can adjust.
Show me math.
The second thing I want to show you very quickly is this great YouTube channel. This is made by an awesome teacher named Ty Williams, and she works with students with extensive support needs. She has made a robust channel with lots of academic instruction, but also social emotional support, communication support, daily living skills. She and her staff have done a tremendous job modeling how to give excellent lesson delivery to students with disabilities, especially with moderate and severe disabilities. There are some attainment programs in here, so you can see the Early Literacy Skills Builder or Building with Stories modeled very well. But then there's also some great just read alouds and science lessons and math lessons, so I encourage you to check that out and follow Ty. Thank you so much for listening to me tell you about supporting students with extensive support needs.